Hello and welcome to my Cpe301 Midterm 2 Task 3 video. In this video I will be using the CCP capture pin of timer 1 in mode 1x to determine the speed of a DC motor. The DC motor is going to be adjusted using a 10K potentiometer read by ADC from pin PC0. So just go through the code real quick here. We've got our same setup functions, ADC initialize, our read ADC function. We're initializing USART. We have a transmit spring to display to the terminal. We have our timer set up here. We're using mode 7 with a fast PWM with a prescale of 1. We're setting our interrupt bits in the TIMSK1 register. This is our RPM calculation function. We're calculating revolutions per second first using this 15625. This is based on our clock speed and our total ticks per clock time. Then we're calculating our RPM, multiplying it times 60. And we have this check in here. If it's less than 5, we're setting our RPM to 0. Going into the code, we have our outputs and our pull-up set, timer setup. We're enabling interrupts. So in our while loop, we're reading ADC, calculating our RPM, and then just basically transmitting to the terminal. Inside of our timer 1 capture vector, we're recording our tick value from the ICR1 clock, and then we're go ahead and making the calculation of our total ticks here, taking into account an overflow, incrementing our revolutions, and then we're clearing the TCNT1 timer every time and clearing the overflows once we come into this timer 1 capture vector. So let's go ahead and check it out. You can see as we turn our potentiometer, the motor speeds up. Turn this so you can see the motor drive. It slows down. Let's go ahead and open the terminal so we can see what's being displayed on the terminal as well. So here we've got our RPM being displayed. And when we go ahead and turn it all the way down, we get 0. And giving it a full sweep all the way to max, we get right up there at about 100 RPMs is our maximum output. So the code worked and was effective. Thank you for watching my video.